Hi, I'm Alex Massaji, and this is 30 Seconds on Site with Toolbank, and this is the DEWALT powered air purifying welding respirator. If you're welding in tough environments, protecting yourself from hazardous fumes, sparks and bright arcs is essential. DEWALT has the perfect solution with this respirator. It's incredibly easy to use, simply sets your shade level 5 to 14, switch it on, put it on your head and you're ready to work, fully protected from harmful welding fumes. With integrated head, eye, face and hearing protection, plus a quick grind function for added flexibility, it's designed to keep you safe and efficient. For welders who wear prescription glasses or have facial hair, this is the perfect solution. No face fit testing required. Powered by the DEWALT battery platform and packed in a TOUGHSYSTEM box, this all-in-one welding protection system is built for the job site. Visit the Toolbank B2B website, mobile app, or contact your local rep for more details on this game-changing product.